Hello guys, this is Higher Life FXT. I am excuse me, I am here on Deriv. As I told you that I'm trading from Deriv and I trade using just Forex. These are the two brokers that I use. And for now, I want to show you examples on Deriv volatility indices. This is just to continue showing you examples on the support and resistance. You will notice that price is moving, guys. It is the weekend, yet price is moving. The reason is deriv.com or deriv allows us to have uh, trades even over the weekend. We have they allow trading. It is 24 hours, 7 days trading platform. So if you want to trade every day, if you are interested in trading all the days of the week, from Monday or from Sunday to Sunday, this is one broker that you can use. You will see the link if you want to open an account in the video description, and you can click on it. You will get to register. It will lead you directly to a page where you can register and start trading with Deriv. As you can see, we are on volatility 100 and we are on 4 hours time frame. Right now I want to show you, as you can see, I'm gonna keep this video short and I want it to be less than 10 minutes because already we have dealt with this stuff in the previous video. So this is just to show you that even in volatility indices in a Deriv, it is still the same uh, principles, trading principles that apply. As you can see, we are on volatility 100, right? And I have just drawn or shown my support here with this pink line and my resistance above here with this pink rectangle. So what basically happens here, guys, as I have already explained in the previous video, every time we hit a support area, every time when we hit a support area and the price fails to break below the support area, it is a good chance for us to get in the market and buy. All right, it is a good chance for us to get in the market and do what? Buy, because it is going to go up and touch the resistance. Once price is rejected in this area, which is support, we expect that it is going to reverse and go back up. So guys, as you can see, price was here, it was rejected on support, it had to go up and it was rejected on resistance. Upon being rejected on resistance, it came down to the support again. Price keeps on doing the same thing over and over again. So you drawing your support and resistance, it helps you to see where the price may or might reverse. It shows you where price might reverse, the high probability reversal areas. Okay, so as you can see, the price keeps on coming to these areas and keeps on bouncing back up, keeps on coming to the support and bounces back up. It goes up to the resistance, it bounces back down to the support. And this is just how the market works. What the market did yesterday, what the market did last week, what the market did last year It is most probably what the market will do in the future. So guys, let me tell you something. What the market has done before, it will repeat. It will repeat. That is why we call this technical analysis. We are looking at the history of what happened. We are looking at the past patterns and formations and resistances and support areas, and we are taking advantage of those areas and using them in the now and in the future. So it is very important for you to draw your what, it is very important for you to draw your support and your resistance, because that is where price is going to bounce, and that is where price is most probably going to reverse. Right now, as you can see, volatility 100 is about to reach a resistance. Okay, it is so near a resistance area that we can start preparing to sell. All right. Okay, where did my text go? It's just written text. Okay. This is the resistance area. So we are going to have an expectation that price is going to bounce in this area, and once price bounces in this area, it is going to go back to a place of support, which is this place over here. This pink rectangle below. So right now what we can do is wait for it to touch or to enter this pink area and wait for a rejection. Then we know we can sell. There is a higher probability for a sell here, because you can see every time it comes, it bounces back down. Every time it comes, it bounces back down. And when it reaches this area here, the support, it is obvious, it is most likely for it to reverse, because every time it comes, it bounces back up. Every time it comes in, it bounces back up. So it is as easy as ABC, as you can see, guys. I hope and believe that you will be able to take advantage of this trading principles. It is called support and resistance. I will see you guys in the next video. By the way, I encourage you to open an account with Deriv, because you will be able to trade volatility indices 24 hours, 7 days a week. There is no break. Every day you get to trade. You can check if you have a trading opportunity, and you can take advantage of it if you want. And I also encourage you to register with Just Forex. It is a good broker that I am using. You will see the links on the group, on the video description. Click on them, register with a Deriv, register with Just Forex, join my Telegram channel. I'm gonna share signals, and I have been sharing signals. If you have been following me on this YouTube channel, I've been sharing signals on my Telegram channel, and I encourage you to join, and let us take advantage of these signals together. You will see for yourself. I don't have to explain anything. You will see how accurate and how powerful and on target my signals are. So guys, I will see you in the next video. This is it about support and resistance. I believe and hope you are going to take advantage of support and resistance and trade uh, from these areas so that you are going to make what? Profit. As I told you guys, when it is like this, our stop loss is going to be below the support area. So this line, this black line here, let it be our stop loss. And now, because we are looking to sell and waiting to sell, this is literally a signal. Guys, if you are in Deriv, if you want to open an account, register, open a demo account, and you can take this as the best signal for a sell. It is volatility 100 index. So you can take advantage, open an account, register with Deriv, open a demo account, and take a seller once we enter this pink area. Your stop loss is going to be above the resistance. It is going to be your stop loss. Okay. When we look at the risk to reward ratio, you can see that you are risking only this smaller portion to win this large portion of your trade. You are risking only this smaller portion because your stop loss is here, or to win this large amount of reward. It is a risk to reward ratio that you can use. You can see that our stop loss is not that far. We don't want to lose more. We don't want to lose a lot of money. We want to cut our losses before they go far. So we are simply saying if price breaks below the support, we want to break we want to cut our losses when it reaches this area, because we know price, once it breaks below the support, it is going to continue to go down. And we want to say, okay, if we enter a sell here and a price breaks above the resistance area that we have marked, we want to cut our losses short here on this black line, because we know once price breaks above the resistance, price will continue to go up. So simply, we are going to cut our losses, and it is a good risk to reward ratio. When you look at it guys, you can see for yourself, you are risking only this smaller portion here to win this great portion. Do you see it? It all requires patience. It all requires patience. You just have to look at the principles, apply the principles. They do not change. They are the same forever. They've been the same before we knew Forex. They are the same still now when we know Forex. Okay, these are the same principles that are in stock markets. When price gets low, you buy. Who doesn't want to buy something that is cheap? We all want to buy something that is a low in price. So if price becomes low, it means there's demand. Now the demand is going to go high, so it is a demand area we are going to buy, and price is going to go up because there's a lot of demand. And when price goes up and we begin to say, this thing is too expensive, then we do not want to buy it anymore. We want to sell it, because now we can gain from the high price that we have here. We want to sell at a high price rather than sell at a low price. So we would sell from here, and when we bounce and comes back to support, we would want to buy from support. Why? Because price is now low and on demand. When it is here, it is high, and it is a supply area. We want to sell from here. When we are here, we want to demand, we want to buy and ride up or go up with the trend. So guys, that is all about support and resistance, supply and demand. I am Higher Life FXT. I am bringing this to you. Let's see if M15 I want to show you. You can see that it is moving. It's because Deriv doesn't close. It is 24 hours trade. So we are going to wait and see what is going to happen. Once it gets rejected, it will be our opportunity to sell and ride the trend to the support area. I wish you a successful trading career, trading journey. I will see you in the next video when we will be talking about the trend and trend lines. See you in the next one.